Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call. 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. NCS, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Ruth Boy. Wednesday and Saturday. NCS, Delta Uniform 1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Caesar. Thursday and Friday. NCS, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson. Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS. God bless. 73.
Good evening of Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated, or DX1PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is an amateur group registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Association, and duly licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunications Commission. DX1PRS conducts its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 8 in the evening. Your net control for tonight is 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy. I am transmitting from Balibago, Santa Rosa, Laguna. I am working with Yaesu FT2980R with a power output of 80 watts hooked up to Comet GP-1 antenna 60 feet from the ground. To all stations, please zero-bit your transceivers to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. We shall start the net by calling on any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call DX1 Perez and all stations will be standing by. Second call to any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call DX1 Perez and all stations will be standing by. In a relay for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo for DX1 Perez, standing by. Good morning, magandang gabi po. Ito yung Yankee Malvester. Stand by, Tito Gilbert, nagpe-preamble pa lang. Okay, calling on the any announcement from the club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee, from the NTC or PARA or from other local amateur clubs, please call in our DX1. Perez will be listening. Second call to any announcement from the president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA or from other local amateur clubs, please call in our DX1. Perez will be listening. Okay, nothing heard. Please be advised that this is a supervised net. Therefore, all calls must pass through the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and the suffix. Before proceeding with the net, we would like to inform all stations on monitor that we have about 5 days left before the launching of the raffle draw on Saturday, December 19. We have already identified at least 22 qualified stations. Aside from that, there are 9 stations which will have to continue checking in until Friday to qualify. Please be informed also that December 19 will be a special net call which will be participated in by the qualified stations only on the first part. However, if there are still remaining time left after the raffle draw, we may accommodate any other stations for check-in. The manner in which we will conduct the net call on Saturday is by means of a roll call type, meaning we have to call the qualified stations following the order of entry number, which we will be given today. The raffle draw will have 2 parts. We will draw the first raffle for those stations who will record 100% attendance. After that, those who are unlucky will still be included in the second draw for the rest of the qualified stations. End of announcement. We shall now begin the roll call proper by calling on any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join the DX1 Perez Evening Net. Please call my station for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. For DX1 Perez will be listening.
Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra.
For Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima.
For Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima.
For India 1, Tango Lima Oscar for the left.
For Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform.
Okay, I heard 5 stations, clear stations. Delta Victor 1, Sierra Victor Sierra, for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima, for Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima, for India 1, Tango Lima Oscar, and for India 1, Papa Uniform Victor. Please stand by. Any more stations?
For Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform.
Okay, Okay, copy 401 Lima Charlie Uniform. Yung nakasabay po, pakabilik.
DV1 Oscar Mike Victor.
Copy DB1 Oscar Mike Victor, please stand by. Any more stations? Okay, let's start the night by calling on DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra from the group, the head of the Technical Affairs Committee. Tito Jun, good evening. Welcome to our GoFnet.
Yeah, good evening, Red Boy. For G1TUR and to all stations on monitor. 73 is DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra, supporting the network group, DX1 Paris. 73 again, no more traffic. Good evening.
73, keep safe, and my boy Kuya Jun, thank you for always supporting our GoFnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra, is now locked and cleared. Your entry number, Tito Jun, is number 19. 19. QSL?
Copy, 19, QSN. Thank you.
Congratulations. Next station for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima, Tito Elmore. Good evening. Welcome to Dex1 Persnet.
Good evening all stations. Good evening Tito Root Boy. For G1PUR, for the X1 TRS, you're coming in 5 by 9 sa Muntinlupa. Please like my station for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima with the handle of Elmore. No further traffic, 73.
73, keep safe, and my boy Tito Elmore, thank you for always supporting Dex1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima is now locked and clear. Tito Elmore, your entry number is number 2. Number 2. QSL?
Copy entry number 2, QSL po.
Congratulations, Tito Elmore. Next station for Golf 1 Bravo Lima, Tito Nato. Good evening. Welcome to Dex1 Persnet.
Yes, hello, good evening, Net Control. Good evening, fellow hubs. For Golf 1, Bravo Lima with the handle of NATO, transmitting from General Trias, Cavite. No traffic, just supporting the evening net, 73.
73, keep safe, and my boy Tito Nato, thank you for always supporting Dex1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Bravo Lima is now locked and clear. Next station for Injuan Tango Lima Oscar from the group, the supervisor of the net control stations of the group, Vincent. Good evening. Welcome to our GoFnet.
Yeah, likewise. Good evening, Tito Root Boy, maayong gabi, and thanks for handling the net. Joining right now with Mama Traffic, God bless, and 73. Mabuhay, keep safe.
Likewise, God bless, 73, keep safe, and as usual, ingat-ingat dyan, and inatay ka namin sa inyong pagbabalik sa ere. 73, keep, and thank you for always supporting our GoFnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Injuan Tango Lima Oscar is now locked and clear. Copy for Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu. Kajiar, please stand by. Any more stations? Hotel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar for the net. Magandang gabi, Tito. Copy for Hotel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar. Please stand by. Any more? For Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Delta. Please stand by. Any more? Okay, continue calling the station of 4 India 1, Papa Uniform Victor. Tito Volter ng Cuenca, Batangas. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 Persnet. Keep safe, and mabuhay. Tito Volter, thank you for always supporting Dex1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Injuan, Papa Uniform Victor, is now locked and clear. Tito Volter, your entry number is 20. QSL? Okay. Okay, copy that. Tita Pangalusby, please stand by. Congratulations, Tito Volter. Next station, Portal 1, Lima, Charlie, uniform, Tito Nelson from the group and one of the net control stations also. Good evening, welcome to AgroFet.
Magandang gabi, Tito Rutboy. Magandang gabi sa lahat na nakantabay. Kay Tito Jun, kay TLO, kay Tito Vince. At sa lahat po na nakikinig dyan. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. For the X1 PRS. For Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. Supporting our evening net. And live po tayo sa FB. At pwede po mag-check-in yung hindi po makaabot. Salamat po at 73.
Thank you, Tito Nelson, for that information. Yes, live tayo sa Facebook pala, no? And then, by the way, before I forget, yung ano natin, yung raffle draw will be aired via Facebook Live, which will be conducted by for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie uniform on FB Live. The virtual Tambiolo will be shown during that raffle draw. 73, Tito Nelson, and thank you for always supporting our GoFet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie uniform is now loud and clear. Next station, DV1, Oscar, Mike, Victor, Tito Rolly. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 Persnet.
For G1, Papa Uniform Romeo, DV1 Oscar Mike Victor. Hi, good evening, Root Boy. Good evening, fellow hams. Good evening, DX1 PRS. Just log me into your net. No traffic, 73, and mabuhay.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Rolly. Thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1 Oscar Mike Victor, is now loud and clear. Next station for Golf 1, Charlie Alpha Zulu, KJR, good evening, welcome to Dix1 Persnet. Likewise, God bless, 73, and mabuhay, KJR. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Charlie Alpha Zulu, is now loud and clear. KJR, for your information, you have to check in 4 more days until Friday to be able to qualify for the raffle draw on Saturday. So 4 more days for you. So you have to check in from now until Friday para ma-qualify kayo. QSL? Then sa Friday na namin, upon your check-in, ibibigay yung entry number mo. Next station, Portal 1, Yankee, Mike Oscar, Tito Gilbert. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 Persnet.
Likewise, Tito, magandang gabi, Tito Rutboy, Tito Cesar, Tito Nelson. At magandang gabi, Dix1 PRS. Portal 1, Yankee, Mike Oscar po, nagpapadala, wala pong galang mensahe. Mabuhay, security, happy Merry Christmas. To catch you tomorrow.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Gilbert. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Yankee Mike Oscar, is now loud and clear. Tito Gilbert, yung sa kaso nyo, dalawa kayong nasa medyo sa last slot. Kailangan mag-check-in kayo sa Saturday para ma-qualify kayo. So until Saturday kayong dalawang stations sa Kareni, Porto Yankee, Quebec Delta. So kaya importante na sa Saturday, sa Friday ibigay namin yung slot, but kailangan makapag-check-in kayo sa Saturday para ma-qualify. Otherwise, pagka sa Saturday wala kayo, hindi kayo mapapasama. QSL?
QSL, Tito Rutboy, Tito Cesar, lahat po ay araw-aralin ko na. Gawa na itong ating 300.
QSL, sige, 73, keep safe and mabuhay. And thank you for always supporting Dix1 Persnet.
Love you all.
Copy for Golf 1 Echo Hotel November. Please stand by. Yung nakasabay po ni Tito Ermi. Copy, Tito Dindo. Please stand by for Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf. Any more stations? Tito Arnel, nakalag na po. Ikaw na susunod. Pasensya na at indulgence muna. Unahin ko muna po si Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf at medyo mahinang receive niya sa akin. Go ahead, Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf. Tito Dindo, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 FirstNet. Likewise, God bless 73. Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Dindo. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station 412-1 Bravo Delta Golf is now logged and clear. Next station 412-1 Bravo Zulu Delta. Tito Arnel, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 FirstNet. Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Arnel. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Delta is now logged and clear. Tito Arnel, yung entry number mo ay 1111. QSL? Congratulations. Okay, next station, DU1 Victor Lima Zulu. Kapangalos B, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 FirstNet. Mayang gabi. Damo salamat, halong-halong, Pangalos B. At thank you for always supporting Dix1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Victor Lima Zulu, is now logged and clear. Pangalos B, yung entry number mo ay number 6. So, yung 1 to 6 ay to date, kayong anim ay consistently naka 100%. So, it is very important na hanggang doon sa dulo until last Friday ay makapag 100% kayo. Kasi yung anim kayo, kung na-maintain yung 100% kayo until Friday, yung first draw masasama kayo na anim lang kayo ang maglaban-laban. So, napaka-importante. So, kung ang hindi mabunot doon, may second chance pa na masali doon sa pangalawang draw. QSL? Congratulations, Pangalos B. Next station for Golf 1 Echo Hotel November. Tito Army, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 FirstNet. Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Ermi. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Echo Hotel November is now logged and clear. Tito Ermi, yung entry number mo ay 2121. QSL? Congratulations, Tito Ermi. Okay, any other stations would like to join Dix1 FirstNet for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo standing by. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join Dix1 Perez EveningNet, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
Permission to relay.
Tito Nelson.
DY8 Charlie Mike Zamboanga City. Handle is Romeo.
Tito Nelson, pakibalik ng kanyang prefix.
DY8 Charlie Mike.
Okay, copy that. Any more?
Mike Echo Romeo.
DW3 Romeo Queen Golf Stroke 1.
Okay, copy that. Indulgence, Tito Nelson, acknowledge mo na yung 2 stations, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo, QSL.
QSL.
Okay, and then DW3, Romeo Quebec Golf Stroke 1, Tito Roel, please stand by. Tito Nelson, please go ahead yung kay Mike Echo Kilo. Ano ba yung prefix ni Mike Echo Kilo?
Mike Echo Romeo yon, si Mike DU9 Mike Echo Romeo ng Torrento, Agusan del Sur.
Okay, copy that. Mayroon pa?
Delta Yankee 6 X-Ray XIQ X-Ray India, Quebec ng Bacolod City. Rick Romeo India Zulu Romeo India Charlie Rick.
Romeo India Zulu Echo Charlie, QSL.
Romeo India Zulu Romeo India Charlie Rick.
Okay, Rick ng Bacolod City, QSL.
QSL at saka November 6 Delta Echo Zulu ng California from Cainta, Rizal.
Yung ano para Tito Nelson, yung kay SIQ, anong prefix niya sa Bacolod?
Ayon sa Bacolod, Delta Yankee 6 X-Ray India, Quebec.
Okay, copy that yun. At saka yung sumunod ay yung si Delta Echo Zulu, yung November 6 Delta Echo Zulu.
Roger. QSL Tito, taga Cainta siya, nasa California. Walang nakalagay na astig na Pinoy lang nakalagay sa kanya. At saka si Tito Mike Basco ng Baguio, ano nga ba yung call sign niya rito? Kalimutan, Mike Bravo lang yata yon.
Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie.
Okay, copy. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie. Tito Mark, please stand by. May inaayos lang namin yan sa FB Live, Indulgence.
Unahin mo na sila, Tito. Mamaya na lang uli.
Sige, ano mo na lang dyan, i-collect mo na lang mamaya dyan natin, Tito Nelson.
Yes, di lang, standby.
Thank you for the relay. Okay, Indulgence, i-acknowledge ko muna yung sa FB Live. Delta Yankee 8, Charlie Mike, Tito Romeo ng Sumbanga, DU9, Mike Echo Romeo, si Tito Mike ng Trento, Agusan del Sur. Delta Yankee 6, X-Ray India, Quebec, Tito Rick ng Bacolod City. And November 6, Delta Echo Zulu ng Cainta, Rizal, pero nasa California. Your stations are now loud and clear. Okay, go back to our lineup. Let's see. Okay, the next station is Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo. Tito Mar, good evening. Welcome to Dix 1 FirstNet. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo. Tito Mar, good evening. Welcome to Dix 1 FirstNet. Last call, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo. Tito Mar, good evening. Welcome to Dix 1 FirstNet. Okay, nawala. Okay, let's move on to the next station. Delta Whiskey 3, Romeo Quebec Golf Stroke 1. Tito Ruel, good evening. Welcome to the X1 FirstNet.
Salamat, magandang gabi, Road Boy Nezon. This is TWTRQG, Royal Lambinya, Laguna, from the group of DX3 Latitude. Other traffic, 73 Mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Ruel. Thank you for always supporting the X1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Whiskey 3, Romeo Quebec Golf Stroke 1 is now logged and clear. Tito Ruel, your entry number is number 8. QSL? Tito Ruel, andyan ka pa ba?
DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mike.
Okay, copy. Two stations, 4-1 Delta Uniform Golf and DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico. Please stand by. Last call, Tito Ruel, andyan ka pa ba? Okay, anyway, tomorrow na lang kapag nag-check-in ulit. Okay, let's move to the next station. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie. Tito Mark, good evening. Welcome to the X1 FirstNet.
Yes, good evening po, Tito. Good evening sa lahat. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie, supporting the net, and Tito po tatlo at ingat-ingat po sa atin. God bless.
Likewise, God bless, Tito Mark, and thank you for always supporting the X1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie, is now logged and clear. Tito Mark, your entry number is 14. 1-4. QSL?
Yes, sir.
Congratulations. Next station, Hotel 1, Delta Uniform Golf. Tito Gary, good evening. Welcome to the X1 FirstNet.
DB1 Bravo Echo.
DB1 Bravo Echo, copy that. Tito Bob, please stand by.
Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey.
Okay, DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey, copy that. Yung nauna pa kay Tito John, pakibalik po. For Golf 1 Alpha Whiskey India, please stand by. Okay, any more stations?
Delta Zulu 1 Delta.
Delta Zulu 1 Delta, Tito Don, please stand by. Any more?
Delta Zulu 1 Charlie.
Delta Zulu 1 Charlie, Tito Castor, please stand by. Any more? Pakibalik po. Yung nag-check-in, pakibalik po. Medyo mahinang receive ko.
ABC.
Okay, copy 41 ABC and together with for Hotel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo. Please stand by. One more time yung nag-transmit. Medyo malayo sa akin. One more time, baka makuha ko na. Balik na lang po mamaya at hindi ko talagang marinig. Anyway, let's move on to the next station. Hotel 1, Delta Uniform Golf. Tito Gary, good evening. Welcome to the X1 FirstNet. Tapos na Tito Gary. Okay, next station, DV1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico. Vice from the group, the Vice President of the group, Vice Alaric, good evening. Welcome to our GoofsNet.
Good evening, good evening to all, good evening everyone. The supporting outlet ko, no traffic, 73, and mobile tayo. How are you?
73, keep safe, and my boy Vice, Alaric, thank you for always supporting our GoofNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1 Kilo Whiskey, Mexico, is now logged and clear. Vice, your entry number is 1212. QSL? Vice, nandiyan ka pa ba? Your entry number is 1212. Copy 401 Echo Michael Low, please stand by. Okay, mukhang nag-QSY na si Vice. Okay, next station, DB1 Bravo Echo. Tito Bob, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 FirstNet.
Yeah, likewise, good evening and good evening fellow hams. DB1 Bravo Echo from the heart of Makati. From the group DX1ER, checking in and supporting the evening net of DX1 PRS. 73 and stay safe everyone. Thank you.
73 and stay safe likewise. And mabuhay Tito Bob, thank you for always supporting DX1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1 Bravo Echo, is now loud and clear. DV1 Radio Alpha, Tito Raul, please stand by. Any more stations?
Hi. For I1, Mike Victor India.
For I1, Mike Victor India, Juliana, and Robert, the father and daughter station. Please stand by. Any more stations? Point 1, Zulu Foxtrot, please stand by. Okay, nothing heard. Let's move on to the next station for Golf 1. Alpha Whiskey India, Tito Philip ng Caloocan. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 FirstNet. Likewise, God bless and stay safe and healthy. Mabuhay, Tito Philip, and thank you for always supporting Dix1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Alpha Whiskey India is now loud and clear. Next station, DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey, Tito June ng Los Baños, UP. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 FirstNet.
Good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening to all monitoring stations. Bumabati lang po ng 73. No further traffic. Just checking in.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay Tito June. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey, is now logged and clear. Tito June, your entry number is 1717. QSL?
QSL, Tito Root Boy. Tango Yankee.
Congratulations. Okay, next station, Delta Zulu 1, Delta, Tito Don. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 FirstNet.
Magandang gabi, Root Boy, at supporting the net, 73, salamat.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Don. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. Delta Zulu 1, Delta is now loud and clear. For Italy 1, Zulu Sierra. Copy for Injuan Alpha Zulu Sierra and for Golf 1 Lima Delta Alpha. Please stand by. Any more stations? For Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Charlie. For Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Charlie. Copy. Please hold stand by. Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo Camilo, please stand by. Okay, next station, Delta Zulu 1 Charlie, Tito Caster, good evening, welcome to Dix1 FirstNet.
Good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening, fellow hams. Good evening, Dix1 PRS. Delta Zulu 1 Charlie, Hop Calamba City, Laguna. Checking in from the group DX1 Papa. Salamat po, 73.
73, keep safe, and my boy Tito Caster, thank you for always supporting Dex 1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station, Delta Zulu 1. Charlie is now loud and clear.
DY1 Charlie November Delta.
Copy, Delta Yankee 1, Charlie November Delta. Please stand by Tito Chito. Okay, next station for Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie, together with 4Tel1 Echo Charlie Bravo. Tito Al and Tita Nanette, good evening. Welcome to our group set from the group. Go ahead.
Likewise, good evening to all the station. Good evening, DX1 CRS. Good evening, good boys. For the traffic, just joining and supporting the evening net, together with 4 Hotel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo. God bless and more power.
Likewise, God bless, more power, mabuhay, Tito Al and Tita Nanette. Thank you for always supporting our group net. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your two stations are for Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie and for Tel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo are now loud and clear. Tito Al, please advise Tita Nanette na yung entry number niya ay number 4. QSL?
QSL, copy.
Congratulations kay Tita Nanette. Next station, Portal 1, Echo, Mike Kilo, Tito Edmond, good evening, welcome to Dex 1 PRSnet. Keep safe. Likewise, Tito Edmond, and thank you for always supporting Dex 1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. For Hotel 1, Echo, Mike Kilo is now loud and clear.
For Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Hardy for the net.
Copy, 3 stations, additional for Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie, the 1 Kilo India Yankee, and for Golf 1 Charlie Bravo. Please stand by. Tito Raul, ikaw na sunod, DB1 Radio Alpha. Tito Raul, good evening, welcome to the X1 PRSnet. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Raul. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1 Radio Alpha, is now loud and clear. Next station, for India 1, Mike Victor India, Juliana and Robert, the father and daughter station. Good evening, welcome to our GoofNet.
Hi, Tito Root Boy.
Good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening to all stations. For G1 PUR for the X1 PRSnet for I1 Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana.
Checking in po, supporting our group's net for the traffic 73.
Hi, Juliana. Kukunin na daw ni Tito Jun yung yung lapad ng inyong t-shirt. 73 keep safe, and mabuhay, Juliana and Robert. Thank you for always supporting our GoofNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. For India 1, Mike Victor India is now loud and clear. Tito Robert, your entry number is number 5.
Copy, Tito. Thank you.
Congratulations. Next station for India 1, Zulu, Foxtrot, Tito Francis. Good evening, welcome to Dex 1 PRSnet. Keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Francis. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. For India 1, Zulu, Foxtrot is now loud and clear. Next station for India 1, Zulu, Sierra, together with 4 Golf 1, Lima, Delta, Alpha, Leia and Lady Sharon. Good evening, welcome to Dex 1 PRSnet.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, Tito Ruth Boy. Coming up and supporting you to your net, together with Park of Lima Delta Alpha, from Binyan, Laguna, and from the group copy 73, and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Leo and Lady Sheldon. Thank you for always supporting the X1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your two stations, 4 India 1, Zulu Sierra, and 4 Golf 1 Lima Delta Alpha are now locked and clear.
RH1 Delta Papa Quebec.
RH1 Delta Papa Quebec, please stand by. Yung Lucina, pakibalik po. Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Whiskey Lima, or Lucina, Tito MJ, please stand by. Indulgence, gentlemen, pull out ko muna si Tito MJ, medyo mahinang receive niya sa akin, baka mawala. Okay, calling the station of Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Whiskey Lucina, Tito MJ, good evening, welcome to the X1 Persnet.
Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, joining the evening net call.
Stand by. Tito Mar, natawag na kita kanina at ikaw, Tito Gilbert, natawag ka na, I think, kanina or... natawag na kita kanina, Tito Gilbert, no, number 10. QSL?
Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, for the net. U1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
Tito Josie, acknowledge na yan for Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Lima. Please stand by. Okay, acknowledge for Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta. Jason, please stand by. Okay, thank you, Tito MJ, and hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1 Victor Whiskey Lima, is now locked and clear. Okay, moving back to the next station, for Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Charlie Bernie ng Binangunan Rizal. Good evening, welcome to X1 Persnet.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, Control. Magandang gabi all around. Supporting our evening net, number traffic.
U1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
D1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, Tito Boy, please stand by. Acknowledge the station of Cabernet. Thank you for always supporting the X1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Charlie is now locked and clear. Moving to the next station for Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo Cameloy. Good evening, welcome to the X1 Persnet.
Good evening to all station and monitor. For Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo, checking in, supporting the net with no traffic. 73, mabuhay, salamat.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Cameloy. Thank you for always supporting the X1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for 1 Bravo Zulu Echo is now locked and clear. Cameloy, your entry number is number 3. QSL? Congratulations at ang napaka-importante sa lahat, Cameloy, you have to maintain your 100% attendance until Friday para sa 6 lang kayo ang makwa-qualify for the first draw. QSL?
Yes, sir. Tito Boy.
Salamat. Next station, Delta Yankee 1 Charlie November Delta. Tito Chito, good evening. Welcome to the X1 Persnet. Tito Ticho, Delta Yankee 1 Charlie November Delta.
Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta.
Stand by, Jason. Calling the station of Delta Yankee 1 Charlie November Delta. Tito Chito, good evening.
Acknowledge the station of Tito Michael Basco, si ng Baguio City. Magandang gabi dyan sa Baguio. Shout out kay Alexis Monsendo Velasco at saka kay Richard.
Porto Valley Machali Uniform, nadidinig mo ba ako dyan, Tito Nelson?
QSL, Tito.
Okay, akala ko may problema yung radyo ko. Anyway, okay, hindi naka-response si Tito Chito. Okay, mamaya na lang siguro. Last call, Delta Yankee 1, Charlie November, Delta. Okay, moving to the next station, 4 Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie. Tito Raymond, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 FirstNet.
Likewise, good evening, Tito Root Boy. 4 Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie checking into the net of Delta X-Ray 1 Papa Romeo Sierra. No traffic, my 73. Lakas ng splatay ko. Mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Raymond. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie is now loud and clear. Next station, DU1 Kilo India Yankee Kaed. Good evening. Welcome to Dix1 FirstNet.
For Golf 1 Charlie November Delta.
Copy, Kajuan, for Golf 1 Charlie November Delta. Acknowledge the station of Kaed. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Kilo India Yankee, is now loud and clear. Next station for Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Lima, Kajosi. Good evening. Welcome to Dix1 FirstNet.
Victor India, Quebec.
Copy, Delta Whiskey 1 Victor India, Quebec. Is that you, Tito Jing?
Yes, sir. Joining supporting the net, may 73. Mabuhay, salamat, at magandang gabi sa lahat.
Okay, acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 1 Victor India, Quebec from Rosario, Pasig. Thank you for supporting Dix1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1 Victor India, Quebec, is now loud and clear. Next station for Hotel 1 Delta Papa Quebec, Tito Pito ng Mandaluyong. Good evening. Welcome to Dix1 FirstNet.
Magandang gabi, Tito Rootboy. Magandang gabi sa lahat na nakamonitor. This is for H1 Delta Papa Quebec, transmitting from Mandaluyong. No further traffic, just supporting the evening net. 73 and advance Merry Christmas to all.
Copy, Delta Yankee 1 Oscar Sierra Sierra. Please stand by. Acknowledge the station of Tito Pipito, 73. Keep safe and mabuhay. And thank you for always supporting Dix1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1 Delta Papa Quebec, is now loud and clear. Next station, Portal 1 Yankee Quebec Delta. Jason, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 FirstNet.
About it, Rootboy, magandang gabi po for Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta, joining the evening net call ng DX1 PRS Net 73. Mabuhay! For Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango.
Copy, Portal 1 Alpha Kilo Tango. Please stand by, Tito Rueno. Acknowledge the station of Jason. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1 Yankee Quebec Delta, is now loud and clear. Jason, yung nandiyan ka pa ba?
Sir, dito pa po.
Okay, ganito yung nasa last slot ikaw na nag-check-in. So, kailangan sa Saturday, yun ang pinaka one day mo na kailangan mag-check-in sa Saturday. Sa Friday, bibigyan ka namin ng slot, pero napaka-importante na sa Saturday, dahil roll call type tayo, abangan nyo ang pangalan nyo sa pinakahuli. Dahil kailangan maka-check-in ka. Otherwise, kung hindi ka makapag-check-in sa Saturday, hindi ka masali sa raffle. QSL?
Ano ba? Magbabangit po ba kayo ng call sign? Pwede, pangalan?
Yes, sir. Bali, tatawagin na namin sa Saturday, sunod-sunod, base doon sa entry number na ibibigay namin. Yung iba na na-qualify na binigyan na namin, pero kayo, na kailangan nyo pa ng kulang pa kayo ng araw, sa Friday na namin ibigay yung entry number nyo. Kaya, sir?
Po, kaya sir po, Tito, gandang gabi po dyan. No, po. Ilan po, 73, gandang gabi.
Congratulations, ka Jason. Go ahead, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo, on possible. Likewise, God bless. Tito Mahal, thank you for all supporting Dex 1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo is now logged and clear. Moving to the next station, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Tito Boy, good evening. Welcome to Dex 1 FirstNet.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo at sa lahat. Nagpapatala ang buwabati ng tiklis-tiklis sa 73 sa inyo at sa lahat. Other traffic, QRU, QRX, QRL. Salamat po.
Ng Dex 1 Ferris. Naway, masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong impilan na DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra ay nakatala na po at libre na. Tito Boy, nandiyan ka pa?
Roger, go ahead.
Yung entry number mo ay number 9. QSL?
Roger.
Congratulations.
Salamat po.
Wala nga naman. Okay, moving to the next station. For Golf 1, Charlie, November Delta, Joanne. Good evening. Welcome to Dex 1 FirstNet.
Yes, good evening po, Tito Root Boy and all stations on monitor. This is for Golf 1, Charlie, November Delta, Joanne, from Dasmariñas, Cavite. No traffic, just supporting the net. 73, you're coming here 5x9.
73, likewise 5x9 here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. 73, keep safe and mabuhay ka, Joanne. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Charlie, November Delta is now logged and clear. And by the way, Kajuan is one of the net control stations of DX1 EVMs. Next station, Delta Whiskey 1. Tapos na pala si Tito meeting. Next station, Delta Yankee 1, Oscar Sierra Sierra, Tito Rico. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 FirstNet.
For India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot.
Copy for India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot. Please stand by.
D1 PRF.
D1 PRF, please stand by. Any more stations?
TY1 Lima Echo Echo.
Delta Yankee 1, Lima Echo Echo. Please stand by. Any more?
Oscar Mike.
Pakibalik po.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike. Please stand by. Any more?
4G1 Bravo Sierra Yankee.
4G1 Bravo Sierra Yankee. Please stand by. Any more? Stand by, Tito Romero. Susunod ka na. Okay, acknowledge the station of Tito Rico. Thank you for all supporting DX1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Oscar Sierra Sierra is now logged and clear. Next station, Portal 1, Alpha Kilo Tango, Tito Roweno. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 FirstNet.
Magandang gabi Tito Road Boy at magandang gabi sa lahat na station na nakamonitor. For Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango touchdown and nagpapatala lang sa gabing ugnayan. Chicken na traffic, 73, mabuhay tayong amateurista.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Roweno. Thank you for always supporting DX1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1, Alpha Kilo Tango is now logged and clear. Tito Roweno.
Oh.
Ay, yung ikaw kailangan nyo pa ng 4 more check-in. So, today until to sa Friday para ma-qualify ka. So, ibibigay namin yung rank number mo just in case na makompleto mo within this week yung ang entry number mo sa Friday na. QSL?
Sige, QSL.
Congratulations. Okay, next station for India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot. Tito Don, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PersNet.
Good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening, DX1 PRS. For India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot. Checking in and supporting the net. 5x4 dito sa Cainta Rizal. Maraming salamat, 73.
73, keep safe and my boy Tito Don. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PersNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot is now logged and clear. Likewise, 5x4 Santa Rosa, Laguna. Next station, DU1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot from the group and one of the net control stations. Tito Jun, good evening. Welcome to our group's net, the brainchild of the raffle draw. Go ahead.
QSL 4G1PUR, magandang gabi ganun din sa mga istasyon na katabay. Just supporting our group's net from Mayapa, Calamba City, 73. God bless. Mabuhay.
Likewise, God bless, 73. Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Jun. Thank you for always supporting our group's net. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot is now loud and clear. Next station, Delta Yankee 1, Lima, Echo. Kuyang Lee, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PersNet.
Good evening, 4G1 PUR supporting the net call of the X1 PRS. Please join my station in DY1 Lima Echo to your log this evening. QRU 73 and God bless you.
Likewise, God bless, 73 and mabuhay, Kuyang Lee. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PersNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1 Lima Echo is now logged and clear. Kuyang Lee, kailangan mo pa ng dalawang check-in para ma-qualify. So after that, ibibigay namin sa iyo ang inyong entry number.
QSL, magche-check-in ulit ako ngayon.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations. And next station, Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike, Tito Romano. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PersNet.
Magandang gabi dito, Root Boy. Magandang gabi sa lahat na nakantabay. Nagpapatala lang po sa gabi-gabing lambatan. Wala namang ibang mensahe. 73.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay, Tito Romano. Maraming salamat sa ugnayan ng DX1 PersNet. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong impilan. Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike ay nakatala na po at libre na. Tito Romano, yung entry number mo ay number 7. QSL?
Apo, salamat po.
Congratulations. Next station, Borgo Farm, Bravo, Sierra, Yankee, Tutorial. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PersNet.
Good evening, Root Boy. Good evening, PRS. Just checking in. No other traffic. 73, mabuhay.
Keep safe and mabuhay, Tutorial. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PersNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Bravo, Sierra, Yankee is now loud and clear. Siginet, any more station who would like to join DX1 Perez evening net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Root Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
4G1, Mike Victor Lima.
Okay, copy for Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima. Adrian, good evening. Welcome to our group set.
Likewise, good evening. Welcome to Greg. Helman Nelson na rin. Ayun, good evening to all. 4G1, Mike Victor Lima, joining our group snack. No further traffic. 73 mabuhay. Salamat, Olman Root Boy.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Adrian, thank you for always supporting our GoFnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1. Mike Victor Lima is now loud and clear. Adrian, ikaw yung rank number 1. QSL?
Rank number 1? Saan nga makakabukas ko lang eh?
Entry number 1 ka. Abangan mo sa Saturday for the raffle. So, mauna kayong i-raffle. 6 kayo. Kung tuloy-tuloy mo lang check-in until Friday, pag nakuha mo yung 100% attendance pa rin, then priority raffle ko kayo. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Saturday.
Yes, sir. Saturday.
Yes, sir. Salamat sa information of ang
Wala nga naman. Any more station to join the Dex 1 FirstNet, please call my station for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
Permission.
Go ahead, Tito Nelson.
Si Mike Bravo na hindi mo pa yata natangawag kanina. At saka may birtong bago rito. Si Delta Yankee 2, Alpha Foxtrot. Handle is Avery from Pangasinan, DX1 EBM.
Pakibalik pa Tito Nelson, anong pangalan? Yung call sign?
Delta Yankee 2, Alpha Foxtrot from Pangasinan, from the group DX1 EBM. Ang handle niya is Avery.
Boy?
Alpha, Victor, Echo, Romeo, Yankee.
Very from anong kwan siya? Anong location niya?
Ay dito, correction pala, mayroon pala siyang binatong handle, Axel pala, Alpha, X-ray, Echo Lima.
Okay, copy. Axel and location?
Pangasinan, from the group DX1 EBM.
Okay, copy that. Yung si Mike Bravo, ano niya? Prefix na...
Mike Bravo, wala pa ba sa iyo yan? Ay, taga Baguio?
Baguio. Malaman natin yung prefix kaya. I think andito siya pero ang prefix hindi ko siya nakakuha eh.
Delta, Whiskey, 2, Mike, Bravo.
Ayun, Whiskey 2, Mike, Bravo. Yeah, okay. Kopya ka na.
Nothing.
Okay, thank you, Tito Nelson, for the relay. Acknowledge the 2 stations. Delta Whiskey 2, Mike, Bravo. Tito Michael ng Baguio City. And Delta Yankee 2, Alpha Foxtrot. From Pangasinan, from the group DX1 EBM, Ka-Axel, thank you for supporting DX1 FirstNet 73.
For G1 Lima Delta Kilo.
4G1 Lima Delta Kilo from the group, our club auditor, Tito Dan. Good evening, welcome to our GoSet.
Yeah, good evening, Rude Boy, good evening, Elson, and good evening to all station and monitor. Checking in and supporting our evening net call. No traffic besides 73 and fine evening. Keep safe, mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Dan. Thank you for always supporting DX1 FirstNet or our GoSet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for G1 Lima Delta Kilo is now loud and clear. Tito Dan, your entry number is 1818. QSL?
QSL.
Congratulations, Tito Dan. Kopya, DB1 Zulu United Radio, Tito Mike, long time no hear. One of the net control stations ng DX1 Alpha Reve. Mike, go ahead. thank you for the advice, Tito Mike. Yes, sanitize your radio before and after using. Keep safe and mabuhay, and thank you for always supporting GroupNet or DX1 PSNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. DB1 Zulu Uniform Radio is now loud and clear. Last call for any station who would like to join DX1 PSNet. Please call my station for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Root Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
4I1
Is that you, Edsel, for India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet?
USL 4I1 AJJ Mobile. Good evening, Root Boy. Just checking in, supporting the net mobile dito sa SLEC, malapit sa Perpig. Over.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Edsel, and thank you for always supporting GroupNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet is now loud and clear. Edsel, pag narinig mo ako, yung entry number mo ay 1313. QSL?
USL, kala ko nanalo na ako. Yes, 3 over.
Congratulations at ingat-ingat sa pagmamaneho. Eyes on the road.
Acknowledge dito, Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot.
Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie, ano yan, Romeo Foxtrot?
QSL.
Okay, acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, Tito Juni ng Sambuanga, who check in via Facebook Live, 73, and hope to catch you again tomorrow. Mayroon pa dyan, Tito Nelson?
Wala na, wala na.
Okay, thank you for the relay. Before we close the net, we would like to thank the 62 stations who check in for tonight, and these are the following. DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra, 4 Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima, 4 Golf 1 Bravo Lima Lima, 4 India 1 Tango Lima Oscar. 4 India 1 Papa Uniform Victor, 4 Tel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, DB1 Oscar Mike Victor. 4 Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu, 4 Tel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, 4 Tel 1 Bravo Zulu Delta, DU1 Victor Lima Zulu. For Golf 1 Echo Hotel November, for Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf, Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Mike Mike, DU9 Mike Echo Romeo. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo, DW3, Romeo Quebec Golf Stroke 1, Delta Yankee 6, X-Ray India, Quebec. November 6, Delta Echo Zulu, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie, for Hotel 1, Delta Uniform Golf, DB1 Kilo Whiskey, Mexico. DB1 Bravo Echo, for Golf 1 Alpha Wind Whiskey India, DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey, for Golf 1 Delta, for Delta Zulu 1 Charlie. For Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie, for Tel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo, for Tel 1 Echo Mike Kilo, DV1 Radio Alpha. Hotel 1 Echo Mike Kilo, DV1 Radio Alpha, 4 India 1 Mike Victor India, 4 India 1 Zulu Zulu Foxtrot, 4 India 1 Zulu Zulu Sierra, 4 Golf 1 Lima Delta Alpha. 4 Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Charlie, 4 Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo, Delta Yankee 1 Charlie November Delta, 4 Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie. DU1 Kilo India Yankee, 4 Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Lima, 4 Hotel 1 Delta Papa Quebec. Delta Whiskey 1 Victor Whiskey Lima, 4 Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, 4 Golf 1 Charlie November Delta. Delta Whiskey 1 Victor India Quebec, Delta Yankee 1 Oscar Sierra Sierra, 4 Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango. 4 1 Lima Charlie Foxtrot, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Delta Yankee 1 Lima Echo Echo, Delta Yankee 1 Romeo Oscar Mike. 4 Golf 1 Bravo Sierra Yankee, 4 Golf 1 Mike Victor Lima, Delta Whiskey 2 Mike Bravo, Delta Yankee 2 Alpha Foxtrot. 4 Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo, DV1 Zulu Uniform Romeo, 4 India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet, and DW8 Charlie Romeo Foxtrot. Okay, last call for any station for late check. 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, standing by. Go ahead, Tito Fred from the group. Welcome to our group set. For the net and thank you. 73 and my boy Tito Fred. By the way, Tito Fred, para ma-qualify ka po, you have still 4 check-in to go. So from today until Friday, dapat mag-check-in ka para mapasama ka po sa entry sa Saturday. Yes, sir? Okay, thank you, Tito Fred, and hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, 4 Delta Bravo Sierra, is now loud and clear. Any more? Okay, nothing heard. Thank you very much for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again for the next edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock, same frequency, 145, decimal 340 megahertz. The net is now closed. Frequency 145, decimal 340 megahertz is now back to its normal operation. On behalf of the X1 PRS, this is 4 Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy saying thank you very much and good evening. Mag-ingat tayong lagi, ilagak ang pag-asa sa biyayang darating. Sa dakilang Ama po ang kapurihan.
Ayun lang.
4 to Lima Charlie Uniform, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo.
Go ahead, Tito.
Wala na, Tito Nelson, at maraming salamat sa lagi mong pagsuporta dyan sa ating FB Live.
Welcome, Tito. At sige lang, tapos na.
Nakita mo yung natin, yung ranking, pinadala ko sa iyo?
Oo, nakita ko kanina.
Okay, so bali, yung 22 talagang fix na yung number nila. Yung mga the rest, malalaman pa natin yan sa Friday pag nagkanda ka ng net call, saka natin ibigyan sila ng entry number. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tetanosan, thank you very much. And this is for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo advising QRX. Frequency clear. Good night.
Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow for the next day edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock. Same frequency, 145.340 MHz. God bless to all, 73.